Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2022 Chevrolet Corvette C8.R Edition. It's a 3LT coupe, 1 of 1,000. It's got Z51, the FabSpeed exhaust system, MagRide, and is painted in HyperSonicGrey metallic with the edge yellow stripes and the multicolored SkyCool gray and StrikeYellow interior. All right, we'll start here at the rear of the vehicle. So it is a coupe, so we got the rear hood open here. You got the glass partition displaying the engine. It's a mid-engine, 6.2 liter V8 producing 495 horsepower. It's paired to an 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. As we make our way back here, you're gonna see the removable roof in the trunk. It's made of carbon fiber, so it's nice and light. This one is painted body color, and you can see this really cool stripe that it has per the C8.R Edition. Underneath, we have Alcantara, and it has the yellow stitching as well. I think it's got the yellow, yes it does. Okay, when the roof is on the car, you can utilize the rest of that trunk space to store golf clubs or other items such as that. Roof off there, we have the rear camera mirror there. You can see the yellow stripes come all the way through. Here's your engine compartment from the outside, and it comes back down to here. You got the carbon flash Stingray there. It also has the high wing done in carbon flash metallic. And we got the number 4 there with the Jake Racing skull. As we come back here, you're gonna see the dual exhaust with the quad tips. And it's got the FabSpeed exhaust. You can see it's got carbon fiber looking tips there. You can actually see all the cool plumbing through there. And it sounds great as well. All right, we'll spin the car around. We'll check out the wheels next. So we got these gloss black Trident style wheels with the Jake logo center caps. Michelin tires all the way around, a 305/30 ZR20 in the rear. You got Z51 performance brakes on it with the yellow brake calipers. All right, we'll show you that front wheel here. Also gonna notice the black lug nuts. The front tire size is a 245. Where did it go here? Sorry. A 245/35 ZR19. And those yellow calipers do say Corvette Z51 on them. All right. Let's make our way to the interior. So, unique interior for the C8.R. You're gonna have a black door panel, this bright yellow stitching here, the Bose Performance Series sound system, memory package for your passenger power windows and locks, and this is real authentic leather being a 3LT model. Check out the dash. You got the SkyCool gray here, mixed with the black and the yellow. So again, real leather. Open up the glove box, we got the books in there, Alcantara down there. You're gonna have Alcantara on the A pillar here, the visors underneath the roof, and as well as the B pillars. All right, let's check out the door jambs, nice and tidy. Stingray kick plate looks great there. Here's your carpeted mats with the yellow stitching. 8-way power seats with bolster and lumbar. Check out these cool seats. So the GT2 seats with the SkyCool gray, the black, and that bright yellow. Corvette flags there. You got exposed carbon fiber on the GT2 seats. Seatbelt loops here with the bright yellow seat belts. All right, check that view out there. You got the view of the engine compartment on the coupe, so you can see the engine. We do have a speaker grill here. You're gonna see the C8.R 789. I believe it's 789 of 1,000 produced. And then we have your wireless charging station there for your cell phone. 3LT is also going to give you the Napa leather, so the softer leather. So lots of luxury with the 3LT. Start back here, show you that profile of the wings. You can see the metallic and the carbon flash. Coming down here, there's those seats. Carbon flash metallic mirrors. Side signals there in the mirrors. You got the carbon flash there. C8.R Edition badge there. The black wheels from this angle. And then we come to the front here. It's got the front splitter as well. Front cameras, and we got our frunk. Down below we got more storage here with the divider there and the net. Here we got a 12-volt socket to charge your battery with your trickle charger. All right, we'll close this up here. We'll just stand back here. Paint looks great on this. We have not polished it yet. It'll get a 5-stage polish as all cars do. You can see we got a great starting point here. So those stripes, as you can see, go all up on top of the car to the back. I do see one little mark in the stripe there. Nothing major, I'm just pointing it out though. Wheels over here. And back to our door panel here. So again, real leather, yellow stitching, blind spot monitoring, power folding mirrors, and back out again. Power mirrors there, power windows, Bose Performance Series sound system. You got your memory package for your driver, power locks, and your door releases there in your trunks. And also have the Alcantara down here, almost hidden there. Here we have their dash, heads-up display there. And then our door jambs down here. Our pedals, our carpeted mat, 8-way power seat, Napa leather. Let's see, the condition looks great. GT2 seats, yellow seat belts. All right, let's jump in. Close this up here. So we got the yellow stitching here. We got the HVAC here, nice sleek vents, heads-up display controls, dash dimming lights, and your electronic parking brake. You see the Alcantara down here. Power tilt and telescopic wheel. Headlight controls here. We got paddle shifters on both sides, upshift, downshift, Z button for your performance, cruise control, audio, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth arrow keys, and your windshield wiper settings. We're gonna start it up. It's a push button start. All right, sounds great on fire up there. We'll zoom back out. Check out this wheel. Alcantara steering wheel, yellow center point, yellow stitching, flat top, flat bottom. Corvette flags here. We got the leather steering wheel. Coming in here, we have a full digital cluster here. Mileage 12,354 kilometers. Okay, up here we got the universal garage door opener there. Here's our rear camera mirror, and also you can flip it, turn that off if you don't like it. Down here we have our 8-inch touchscreen here, so we got navigation right there, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, performance data record, your climate controls, front camera here, throw in reverse, you got reverse camera, automatic shifter controls there, traction control, mode, front camera there. Here's your mode selector. So it's a dial. Let's change it back to the beginning here. So we got weather mode here, my mode, tour mode, sport, and you can see it's changing the metrics as you change it, and track mode. And you can see it's changing all these metrics here. Just by the way, we haven't done an inspection on the car, so the car looks like it will get an oil change for sure. Down here, a climate control tower. We have heated and ventilated seats. We got the Alcantara up here. That's cool. 2 cup holders here. This is all leather, by the way. Put my hand in here, you can feel the depth of it. Media ports back here. All right, let's open up the door. I'll get the headlights on and we'll give it a rev. Whoa! That Fab exhaust is pretty loud. It's got a good sound to it though. Wow, I like that a lot. All right, let's close up the door here. Make our way to the front, show you the headlights on this car. Look at this, what a unique car. Only built 1,000 in this edition. Swing it back here, show you the tail lights, listen to that exhaust at idle. All right, so here we have, this is a 2022 Corvette C8.R edition. It's a 3LT coupe, 1 of 1,000 made. It's got the Z51 FabSpeed exhaust, MagRide, and it's painted in HyperSoniCGrey metallic with the edged yellow full race stripes. Interior is done in SkyCool gray with StrikeYellow and jet black. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.